In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the status macro in Confluence. Whether you're managing a project, documenting your workflow, or simply want to provide a clear visual indicator of progress, status macros can be an invaluable tool. This guide will show you how to add them in just a few easy steps, ensuring your Confluence pages communicate the information effectively. To begin with, open the Confluence page where you'd like to add a status marker. This could be part of a larger project page or an individual task. Once you're on the right page, click the Edit button. This is where you'll be able to modify the content and prepare to insert the status macro. Now, to open the macro browser within your page, you'll need to type the / symbol, that's the # key on your keyboard. As soon as you type this, you'll see a list of options pop up, which is the macro browser. In this field, start typing the word status, and you'll see status macro pop up in the list. Go ahead and select it. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the status you want to display. This could be something like in progress, done, or any other label that suits your needs. Consider what stage your task is in and choose a label that accurately reflects that, ensuring everyone viewing the page understands exactly where things stand. Once you've entered the text for your status, the next step is to select a color to represent it. Colors can be a powerful way to convey information at a glance. For instance, green often signifies completion or everything being okay, while red might indicate an issue or something that requires attention. Choose a color that intuitively relates to the status text you've added, making it easier for everyone to interpret your updates quickly. After you've configured your status and color, it's time to finalize your updates. If you're ready to make your changes visible to everyone who accesses this Confluence page, click the Publish button. Alternatively, if you've decided to exit without publishing, you can select Close. Make sure you've reviewed everything before you publish to avoid any misunderstandings or the need to make frequent adjustments later. And there you have it. Adding a status macro in Confluence is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance how you communicate the status of ongoing projects. Remember, the key is choosing clear text and intuitive colors that convey your message effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below.